Good morning, Mrs. Megan. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm doing good as well. Thank you for letting this meeting happen and showing your keen interest in Bose and our products.
Well, it is my pleasure having you here. I've been looking forward to this meeting and what Bose has to offer me.
Well, let's start by asking you a few questions. So our motive is to understand each other's needs. Why would you want to invest and build a relationship with a company like Bose Corporation?
Bose is one of the leading multinational company in the audio-video industry, and so are we. So, building a relationship with Bose would be great, and importantly, who wouldn't be interested to be associated with Bose?
I am so glad that we are on the same page, and thank you for the wonderful thoughts about our company. We too are eagerly looking forward to do business with you. Well, what are your immediate and specific expectations from our product and our company in whole?
Well, we are not a very demanding organization. We expect you to at least deliver what you promise, and of course we are looking forward to quality sound, which is not a major concern since it's Bose. But a convenient system and to continue to do business with an organization like yours is what we're looking forward to.
Now you are starting to impress me, Mrs. Megan. If you could please help me in understanding when and where would you like to place these systems that you're looking forward to?
Well, when would totally depend on my purchase decision, but I do have an idea of wherever we want to plan to use it. We are typically looking for our small-scale conferences, summits, shows and music events, but this particular system is for fairly smaller location than the usual events we organize. We're looking for something out of the box.
Okay, great. Thank you very much for giving an insight over our requirements. There goes a saying at Bose. We strive to bring best possible experience with the least amount of complexity.
That sounds good to me and I don't doubt it either.
What makes you say so? Have you ever been at Bose store or owned a Bose system personally yourself?
Yes, I have visited the stores many times and I personally do own a Bose system for over 7 years now and it's worked perfectly. I simply love it and that's the reason why I would like to know what Bose has to offer on B2B level.
Wow, isn't that awesome? Out of curiosity, which system do you own?
It's the Bose Wave music system. Just amazing it is.
Wow, I have a Bose fan here now. I clearly understand what your expectations are and I will be more than happy to cater to them. Just to confirm, you need a system which provides high quality sound, convenience of setup, and yes, importantly, a system that is out of the box, right?
You got it right. But don't forget to deliver what you promised since I have had some really bad experiences before.
Oh yes, definitely. That goes without saying. So Mrs. Megan, let me introduce to Bose L1 model systems. The L1 systems offers a unique combination of performance and portability for audience up to 300. So this system suffices your requirements on an audio system for fairly smaller events.
Yes, performance with portability is hard to find.
Okay, great. This system also has 12 speakers providing 180-degree of clear, even sound, consistent tonal balance with less volume drop-off over distance. So imagine the audience enjoying the essence of your live concert event. Wouldn't that be great?
Of course, consistency in sound is something that's very important. We want the front row and the back row audience to have exactly the same experience. We want the audience to remember the event forever.
Well, then we are heading in the right direction. That's exactly what the system offers. Extraordinary performance that will last in the audience's mind. So you mentioned about your convenience of setting up the system and portability as one of your concerns, right?
Yes, at times we have two events happening simultaneously. It is important that the system is easy from one place to another and also easy to set up.
Well, what if I tell you this is easy to transport and can be set up in minutes? Would that be of interest?
Oh really? That's new. Tell me about it.
It has an integrated mixer and power amplifier, eliminating the need of bulky components. Lightweighted, which is easy to transport, set up, break down, so you have more time organizing your other things.
Oh really? It saves time on manpower and transportation? Time is money.
So I see that the system suffices all your expectations so far. So what do you have to say about this?
Well, honestly, we have been wanting to use Bose at our events for two reasons. One is definitely for the obvious quality sound, secondly for branding. So your offer does meet our expectations. I'm glad and surprised that I have got everything under one roof. But let's talk money now. What kind of costing we looking at?
Well, Mrs. Megan, I would first like to know how many systems do you need?
I guess we would probably start with two systems for now and then take it forward.
Okay, great. Our system is priced at $2,000. It will cover you delivery, on-site demo, 1 year international warranty, and importantly, a never-ending after-sales support.
Quality does come at a price, but I wouldn't be able to manage the cost at once. What are your payment policies, which could make it easier to take a decision?
Yes, I completely understand. For customers like you, whose bill is over 1,500, we have a payment plan called Bill Me Later plan that gives the flexibility to purchase without using credit cards, no interest at all, if paid within 6 months.
I must say, Bose ensures they make it easier for their customers not only to the ears but to the pocket too. These plans make it really convenient for an industry like ours. In fact, this was my biggest worry, but honestly, I need to speak to my team and then take a call since they are not very well versed with what the system can do.
Oh yes, I'm glad it suits you, Mrs. Megan, and I really appreciate you sharing your concerns. I'm sure your team too needs to be educated on the system and its benefits. So let me take this opportunity to invite you and your entire team to one of our Bose stores the coming week so that you can all get a hands-on experience on the product, and then we can take it forward from there.
That seems like a brilliant idea. You just made my work easier. Thank you.
Pleasure is all mine. So how do you think meeting on Wednesday 11 a.m. at the store sounds like?
11 a.m. sounds good to me.
Perfect then. I would set the meeting up. Could you sign this form to confirm the appointment so that we could make as necessary arrangements for you and your team?
Oh, where do I sign?
Over here.
Here you go.
Thank you. And see you on Wednesday, Mrs. Megan.
Sure, nice meeting you.
Same here.